The health benefits and uses of xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a popular food additive that is often used as a thickener or stabilizer. This is made by fermenting natural sugars by a type of bacteria called Xanthomonas campestris. You can purchase this in powdered form and use in all kinds of healthy recipes as a binding agent. In today's video, we will explore 14 facts and benefits of xanthan gum and its many uses. 1. Blood sugars. Xanthan gum is used as a replacement for gluten in many different baked goods. Unlike gluten, xanthan gum does not raise your blood sugars and helps to keep these levels under control. This is helpful if you are a diabetic or following a keto diet. 2. Digestion. Xanthan gum acts similar to fiber and can help to keep the bowels moving and improve digestion. This has a lubricating effect on the colon, which helps your stools to move through properly. It also feeds your friendly microbes. 3. Cholesterol. Higher doses of xanthan gum have been tested in scientific studies and have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels for those in high-risk groups of heart attack or stroke. Following a healthy keto diet can help to loosen the arteries, however, so that cholesterol is less of a concern. 4. Weight loss. People notice that they feel fuller and less likely to overeat after consuming xanthan gum. As this is a prebiotic, it helps to feed your friendly bacteria. These bacteria produce vitamins and butyrate, which keeps you feeling satisfied. 5. Cancer fighting. Animal studies on mice showed that xanthan gum also slows the growth of cancerous tumours, leading to a prolonged life. Although there haven't been any human studies, further research on this topic is definitely encouraged. 6. Thickens liquids. This is sometimes used as a thickener for those who have difficulty swallowing, such as older adults or people who have had a stroke. You will find this in shakes designed for the elderly with added vitamins and minerals. 7. Ice cream. Xanthan gum can also be used in vegan or keto ice cream recipes. It helps to thicken and bind the mixture in replacement for dairy or other additives. 8. Keto. Xanthan gum is often used in baking low-carb breads, pastries and fat bombs for those on a healthy keto diet. However, it is very important that you purchase non-GMO xanthan gum, as this contains no harmful pesticides from genetically modified corn or wheat starch. 9. Gravy. Typical gravy is made from flour thickening agents and MSG, which can be damaging to your health. However, you can use simple meat or vegetable stock and add xanthan gum as a thickening agent. This gives a proper gravy consistency, perfect for low-carb diets. 10. Sauce. Similar to gravy, you will often find xanthan gum on the labels of various sauces and thickeners. Be careful, as food manufacturers may be using cheap, genetically modified forms of xanthan gum, which is less healthy. Making your own sauces at home is a great way to enjoy more flavour and more health benefits. 11. Hair gel. You can make a natural hair gel using xanthan gum with a little aloe vera and distilled water. This works better than many products on the market, however it must be made fresh. 12. Saliva Substitute. It is sometimes used as a saliva substitute for those suffering with dry mouth or Sjogren's syndrome. 13. Products. If you start reading product labels, you will find this in toothpastes, medicines and all kinds of different foods. It is also added to some sustained release pills. 14. Side effects. Large doses of xanthan gum can cause digestive issues such as bloating, flatulence and diarrhea. Also, those who have a corn, wheat, soy or dairy allergy may want to avoid this, as it is derived from fermented sugars from these foods. As you can see, xanthan gum is very useful and a helpful thickening agent. Just ensure that you use a non-GMO variety for the best possible health benefits. This can be extremely useful when making your own healthy recipes, especially on a low-carb diet such as keto. If you have a sensitivity to this, you can use psyllium husk or guar gum instead. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.